This video is sponsored by the brand Furnulem.
So here I got the bed frame from Furnulem, and in this video I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out. I was seeing, how long does it take to assemble? The second question I was seeing is, how do these LED lights work? And then the third question was, does this make a lot of noise when you're laying on it? So I'm going to answer all those for you and hopefully help you out. But let's get into the first question. What is the assembly process like? Super easy. Everything is nicely labeled for you. They give you all the tools that you need. I got a little video going in the corner where I do a quick overview of it, but I did this by myself. I had it assembled in under an hour. So overall, it was a very simple process. Now for the second question, which is how do the LED lights work? So they have a remote that they give you, so you can play around with them with the remote if you want to change colors, do different modes, stuff like that. Otherwise, they do have a QR code, and on the instructions, you can download that onto your phone, so you're able just to control these using your phone if you don't want to use a remote, or there is a little manual switch too. So there's three ways to do it. You can do it however you want to, what's easiest for you. And now for the final question, it's does this make any noise? So first, the slats and support beams are actually bolted in, so they're not going to move around on you. So that's a really nice kind of perk. And then also they do give you some foam, and this comes with it, so you don't have to buy your own, where you can stick it throughout here to give that nice padding in between the metal. You have some foam on top, so you don't hear any noises at all. So this should be completely quiet for you. But overall, this was super easy to put together. It was exactly what I needed. I love the charging station up top. You get 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. So you should be able to charge your phone, clock, or whatever you need. But overall, great bed frame, easy to put together, affordable. I give it 2 thumbs up.